Alright guys, what we got here is an Audi A3 2013. Now installed with factory style CarPlay and Android Auto on the original screen. So there, that's the CarPlay system. You can switch back to your original system as well at any time. You can use the original controller to control the CarPlay system as well. All the sound comes through the original system as well.
Our reality checks and control your spending with our deposit limits. We all love our bingo.
You can use all your favorite apps on the system that's supported, so like Waze, Google Maps, everything. And you can switch back to your original system with the touch of a button. If you want this installed on your Audi, give us a call on 028 554 5554 or come visit Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansil, IG2 6QA. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, guys.